Hi, my name is Angie Tatiana Gonzalez Pastran. I am 24 years old. When I was 8 years old, I liked to play hide and seek with my sister and four friends from the neighborhood. We also played tag and hopscotch. We ate vanilla ice cream at the end of the games, and then everyone went home. While at home, I drew while my sister sang, because she didn't like to draw. Before going to sleep, my mother told a story to my sister and me about stories about princess. When I went to school, my favorite subject was English. I read all the English books in the library. I didn't like geometry because it was difficult for me. I didn't ride a bicycle because I was afraid of falling. But I learned when I was 10 years old. I have a very happy childhood. Thank you.